Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the 21st derivative of this exponential function seems impossible, but we can solve it instantly using Maclaurin series. Let's break this down right now. Start with the standard series for e to the power of x. We substitute x cubed into that formula to get the specific power series expansion for our function. We need the 21st derivatives, so we look for the coefficient of the x to the 21st power term. This happens when our index n is exactly equal to 7. The Maclaurin coefficient formula is the derivative divided by n factorial. Equating these and multiplying yields the final answer, option D. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent sign errors. Trust given formulas and check your steps carefully.